Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to disable or prevent the exporting of the XLSX file in Odoo19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to create a progress bar for our custom module in Odoo19. Now, when I go to currently I am in my library management module. Now, when I go into the CRM module, you can see the progress bar is shown here. Now, how do we implement such functionality in our own custom module? Let's see. For that, I will be doing what I'll do. I will create a progress bar for the person's view here based on the number of books. So, what we need to do? Go to the code. Here, go to the person's model. First thing we need is a field. Let's name that field as progress is equals to fields.float and add string is equals to progress, and let's just keep it here. Spelling is here. Fields.float progress. Now what I'll do, I'll simply copy this progress and add this particular field in the view as well. Go to the view. Here is our form view. Let's just add here our field. Control V. Quickly restart your server. Go to the apps, upgrade your module, and library management, person's view. See, now our field is shown. Now we want to show this as a progress bar. So what we can do, we can simply add a widget known as progress bar. Go to the code and here simply add widget is equals to progress bar. Simply restart your server, go to the browser, then apps, then upgrade your module, and then go to the library management, person's view, open the run, and here you can see currently the progress bar is shown, but nothing is working because we have not added a functionality of how the progress bar will increase based on particular condition. Now for that purpose we can create a small function for that. So let's see, go to the code. In the model I will create a function, compute function, compute progress bar, and in that what I'll do, I'll create a simple function in which I will iterate over self and simply check if rate dot total books equals to 1, then simply change the value of progress bar equals to 25. Similarly, elif rec dot total books equals to 2. What it will do, rec dot progress is equals to 50. Now I'll simply copy this, Control C, Control V, and here simply add 3, 75, if it is 4, and keep it as 100. I'll simply add here greater than or equals to. What I have done, I have simply created a compute function which will show the progress bar as per the function. Now I'll simply add in our field as well, comma compute is equals to Control V, and we will add depends as well. API.depends. In which particular field our progress bar depends? It is dependent on this particular books field. I will simply add here as well, and I will simply add store equals to true as well. So quickly, just for the information, I have done. I have simply created a compute function. Store is equals to true. In compute function, I have simply created a function based on the books. If book is 1, progress bar will be shown 25. If 2, then 50. 3, then 75. 4 or more than 4, it will show 100. Nothing else. Now I'll simply restart my server. Go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, persons, open the record. Now I'll simply delete it, and as you can see, the progress is shown as 25 because the number of books is 1. Now if I add any of the record, you can see here for 2 it simply added the progress as 50. If I add another, it will go to the 75, and if I add another, it will again increase. Now we have added the condition. If it is greater than 4, what it will do, it will keep it as 100% as well. So with the help of the progress bar, you can make the user more interactive about the particular progress. You can also create the progress bar based on the particular state. For example, if the particular quotation is in draft state, so the progress bar is 25%. If the state is in sell order state, you can set it as 100%. So it can be useful for the users to track the particular order. So quickly summarize today's topic. In order to create the progress bar in your custom module for Odoo 19, all you need to do is go to the code. You need an float or integer type of particular field. Add the compute function based on the condition as per your requirement, and store is equals to true. Then simply go to your view, add that field along with the widget progress bar. With the help of this widget, you can see your progress bar functionality working. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.